Hello and welcome to Sun Luminance. Today, we will share an exciting selection of the best solar panel systems to power your residential space. These eco-friendly and financially viable solar panel systems are an essential investment for any property. Stick around to see our top picks. At number 5 we have Ecoflow 220 watts solar panel system. Introducing the Bifacial Solar Panel, designed to enhance your portable power station charging experience. This innovative solar panel features a front side with 220 watts power and a rear side with 155 watts power for ambient light, providing an additional 5 to 25% solar energy. With its foldable and lightweight design, this is highly portable and perfect for charging in off-grid situations. Built to withstand harsh weather conditions, solar panel boasts a thin, one-piece tempered glass construction that is 5 times more durable than other solar panels. It is also IP68 waterproof rated, ensuring protection against water and dust. This solar panel achieves optimal efficiency, thanks to its high energy conversion rate of 22% to 23%. It also allows for easy chaining of multiple solar panels together. Experience faster charging and reliable performance with the Ecoflow solar panel. At number 4 we have JJN Bifacial 200 watts solar panels. This bifacial solar panel is a groundbreaking solar solution with a transparent backsheet design. This innovative panel not only generates electricity from the front but also the back, resulting in increased efficiency of at least 5% compared to traditional backsheets. Featuring a 10 BB solar cell, this panel offers superior performance by reducing the impact of shadows and delivering more power than average 5 BB solar cells. With a corrosion-resistant black aluminum frame, it can withstand strong winds of 2,400 pascals and a snow load of 5,400 pascals. The IP65 junction box and IP67 connectors ensure excellent waterproof functionality, allowing for worry-free outdoor use. Installation is easy with the specially designed pre-drilled holes on each panel. These solar panels are the perfect choice for your solar power system. At number 3 we have Pikasola 200 watts solar panel kit. This solar panel kit includes two 100 watts solar panels and a 20A12/24 solar charge controller. These grade A solar panels feature monocrystalline solar cells with a conversion efficiency of 24%, ensuring durability with an aluminum frame and toughened glass. The IP65 waterproof junction box ensures complete protection against humid environments. With an ideal output of 500 watt-hours per day, a single 100 watts panel can fully charge a 50Ah battery in approximately 3 hours, depending on sunlight availability. The 12V/24V solar charge controller offers efficient charging, USB ports, PWM charge management, an LCD, and multiple electric protections. It supports expansion up to 240 watts or 480 watts. It is suitable for various applications such as RVs, golf cars, electric cars, boats, tents, and home solar panel system. At number 2 we have Renegade 200 watts solar panel system. With an impressive 22% high solar cell efficiency, the panel delivers excellent performance. Its corrosion-resistant aluminum frame ensures durability, allowing it to withstand outdoor conditions and providing long-lasting use for decades. The panel is designed to withstand high winds and snow loads. The Renegade Rover, a 40A MPPT solar charge controller, offers multiple protection features. It automatically detects 12 volts or 24 volts DC system voltages and utilizes innovative MPPT technology with a high tracking efficiency. This controller effectively prevents the battery from overcharging, overvoltage, discharge, and short circuits, with reverse polarity protection as well. It supports 3 types of batteries: lithium batteries, lead-acid batteries, and gel batteries. It is particularly well suited for those with RVs, campers, and other compact spaces. At number 1 we WEACO Power 200 watts solar panel kit. These 2 pieces 100 watts polycrystalline solar panels are an ideal choice for permanent installations. It features advanced laminated technology and durable F material, ensuring high light transmittance, scratch resistance, and easy cleaning. The panel is equipped with anti-reflection tempered glass and a corrosion-resistant aluminum frame for enhanced safety and impact resistance. The included 30A MPPT controller automatically adjusts charging profiles based on ambient temperatures, offering optimal charging and protecting against various issues like overcharging, overdischarging, overload, and short circuits. It can be customized for different battery types and load control through PC software or the remote meter mount 50. This solar panel kit is suitable for various applications such as RVs, cabins, rooftops, caravans, and backup power systems. All product links are given in the description of the video. You can purchase it at an affordable price from Amazon.com. Please subscribe to our channel for more informative content and reviews on solar light products.